Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving deep into a tactical beast that's redefining outdoor endurance gear, the Mount FILBE 100L Plus Modular Tactical Backpack System. Let me start by saying, this is the best Molle 4000 we've come across, hands down. Whether you're a survivalist, trekker, hunter, or prepper, this is not just a backpack. It's an all-in-one modular rucksack system engineered for multi-mission functionality. You're getting more than storage here. You're getting a full loadout system designed with military-grade precision and comfort. Let's begin with the configuration. The Mount FILBE system includes one main bag, a shoulder harness assembly, a soft padded waist, hip belt, two detachable sustainment day pouches, two separable hydration pouches, and an external poly-abs frame. That's a total capacity of up to 160 liters, which is colossal. You're essentially carrying your entire operational base on your back, and doing it comfortably. The ABS external frame is a game changer. It creates a physical gap between the pack and your back, significantly improving airflow while minimizing sweat, pressure, and friction. For those long-haul missions or hikes in brutal conditions, this design reduces fatigue and allows for better load distribution. You don't just wear this pack, you move with it. Now, durability. The materials used here are no compromise. Made from tear-resistant polyester and reinforced nylon, this ruck is designed for heavy-duty use in extreme conditions. Rain, dust, snow, or rough terrain. This pack takes a beating and keeps going. As far as organization goes, it's fully modular and customizable. Molle webbing covers the exterior, giving you complete freedom to expand and reconfigure your kit. From first aid kits to ammo pouches, hydration packs to trekking tools, you decide what goes where. The sustainment and hydration pouches detach when needed, letting you lighten your load or rearrange based on the mission. What's impressive is how versatile this system is. It's not just for military use. This pack works equally well for hunting trips, multi-day hikes, bug-out setups, or international expeditions. It adapts to whatever you throw at it. Let's also mention machine washability and full waterproofing. That combo isn't easy to find at this level of tactical performance. After days of rugged use, you can clean it up and reset for the next mission. At its core, the Mount FILBE 100L Plus is a commitment to tactical efficiency, modular control, and physical endurance. It respects your mobility, protects your gear, and empowers your journey. So if you're serious about gear that performs when it matters most, the Mount FILBE isn't just an upgrade, it's a transformation. This is Product Critique, and we say the Mount FILBE is not just the best Molle 4000, it's an elite tactical companion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gear reviews that cut through the noise. Catch you on the next one.